right. Sort the fishes in the river. All right. What we need to do here, we want to make sure that we have our 3 fishes. Maybe we need to add them to the river. So with just
And then yes, the fishes are.
yeah, or yeah, yes. Actually, that would work, right? Or a list of them.
Yeah, I guess it could. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah.
I guess this is better. Yeah.
Then I guess we need a step verifier.
Yeah. We created from the
Great.
river, right?
Yeah. Then we need to verify something.
True. You want to set your expectations on the river now.
I guess we want to expect that it contains 3 fishes.
Yeah. So
Actually, the suggestion is giving you the answer.
Assert the fishes in the river, or
Yeah, so this API suggestions that you have on your screen. So
oh, you mean the expect next, or
so maybe we can do an expect next and just list the fishes. So fish 1, fish 2. I think maybe just add them as you did and adjust.
That. Yeah.
And expect completed. Then maybe unfinished.
Is there some more call that we need to do?
Yeah.
Verify or
verify, yeah.
You need to verify your expectations. You just set your expectations so far.
All right, try and run it. I guess.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Cool. That's it.